5 things that can impact solar business. I want to talk about some key challenges many businesses face and how to address them effectively. These challenges can impact everything from daily operations to long-term success. Let's break down 5 critical areas: quality training, systems, financial management, team alignment, and niche focus. If you find this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if there's something you think is more important that should be added onto the list. 1. Quality, lack of training. The first challenge is a lack of quality training, and this applies to both office staff and field crews. In the office, employees need to fully understand standard operating procedures, SOPs. These are the guidelines that ensure tasks are completed efficiently and consistently, and they should be regularly updated and improved. If office staff don't understand these procedures, the whole business suffers from poor organization and inconsistent work practices. In the field, crew members need ongoing training, particularly in safety and product knowledge. Safety is crucial because it protects your workers and your business from accidents. Product training is equally important to ensure that field crews can perform their jobs well and meet client expectations. Regular training keeps your team up to date and ready to handle new challenges. Solution: establish a strong training program for both office and field staff and invest in continual learning opportunities. This will not only improve performance, but also create a safer and more efficient work environment. 2. No systems in place. The second issue is a lack of systems, particularly software tools and processes that help manage the business. Without proper systems in place, businesses can become disorganized, leading to inefficiencies, missed deadlines, and poor customer service. For example, managing customer relationships, project timelines, and inventory are all crucial parts of running a business. If you're still relying on manual methods or outdated software, it's easy for things to fall through the cracks. Having the right software systems for each step of your operations ensures that tasks are streamlined and business runs smoothly. Solution: invest in modern software tools tailored to your business needs, whether that's for project management, accounting, or customer relationship management, CRM. Having structured processes in place makes it easier to scale and grow efficiently. 3. Over-leveraging. Over-leveraging finances can be a huge risk, especially if poor accounting practices are in place. When a business borrows too much or doesn't manage its finances carefully, it can lead to cash flow issues or even bankruptcy if there's an unexpected shift in the industry. This is a problem many businesses face when they expand too quickly without proper financial oversight. It's crucial to understand your financial limits and ensure that you have enough cash reserves to handle any changes in the market. Proper financial planning is key to staying afloat during industry shifts or economic downturns. Solution: implement sound accounting practices and financial controls. Work with financial professionals to create a strategy that prevents over-leveraging and prepares you for any industry fluctuations. 4. Building the right team. The next challenge is team alignment. Building a team of like-minded individuals who share your vision is essential for long-term success. If your team doesn't align with the company's values and goals, it can lead to conflicts, low morale, and high turnover. When everyone on your team shares the same vision and values, they are more likely to work together toward a common goal. This fosters a positive workplace culture, increases productivity, and leads to better decision-making. Solution: hire individuals who not only have the right skills, but also align with your company's mission and values. This will create a more cohesive team that is driven to achieve shared objectives. 5. Defining your niche. Finally, narrowing down your niche is critical for success. Trying to be everything to everyone can dilute your efforts and prevent you from becoming an expert in your field. Specializing in a niche allows you to focus your resources on what you do best, offering specialized products or services that set you apart from the competition. When you define a specific niche, you're able to target your marketing more effectively, build a reputation as an expert, and serve your customers better. It also helps you stand out in a crowded marketplace. Solution: clearly define your niche and focus on becoming the expert in that area. By doing this, you'll attract the right customers and position your business as a leader in your field. Conclusion. In conclusion, running a successful business requires addressing several critical areas. To recap, ensure quality training for both office and field staff to improve efficiency and safety. Implement proper systems to streamline your operations and ensure consistency. Avoid over-leveraging your finances by maintaining sound accounting practices and financial planning. Build a team of like-minded individuals who share your vision and values. Define your niche to position yourself as an expert in your industry. By focusing on these areas, you can overcome common challenges and set your business on a path to long-term success. Thank you for your time today, and I hope you found these insights helpful.